Respecting local customs and traditions is essential when traveling solo. And with our guide to cultural etiquette, you can navigate unfamiliar cultures with grace and sensitivity. Start by learning basic greetings and phrases in the local language to connect with locals on a deeper level. Be mindful of cultural norms and taboos such as dress codes, gestures, and social customs, and adapt your behavior accordingly to avoid unintentional offense. When visiting religious or sacred sites, dress modestly and follow any specific guidelines or rituals observed by the local community. And always approach interactions with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Ask questions, listen attentively, and embrace opportunities to engage with the locals and learn about their customs and traditions. By practicing cultural etiquette and respectful behavior, you can enhance your solo travel experiences, foster meaningful connections with people from diverse backgrounds, and create unforgettable memories